Hello Salesforce lovers, my name is Sachin and I welcome you on SFDC GYM's Velocity Q&A session. We have designed this module so that we can answer your Velocity or any Salesforce related topics. Okay, if you have any questions, you can write us on sfdcgym@gmail.com. The most of the questions that we have received in related to Velocity is how you guys can do the practice, because in normal developer org there is no package which is already installed in Velocity. So how you can do the practice? So let me first show you that part and then I will talk you about this module. Okay, so you just need to click on this tab and search for Trailhead. Okay, just open this Trailhead website. In the module, just search Omni Studio Dataraptor. I already searched, so it is showing in my list. This is the Omni Studio Dataraptor module, and you can see the three parts. On the last part, you need to click, and here scroll all the way to the down. Keep scrolling. Yeah, there you will find this link. All right, just click on this link. I will paste this link in the description as well, but just in case if that doesn't work, just follow this so that you can reach. Okay, so you can see this particular page, it's showing that this is a developer edition, nothing but a developer edition, but it is different than our developer edition because the Omni Studio is already installed in it. You can fill your name, email address and company address and everything and sign up. So once you sign up, it will trigger an email. You need to confirm that email and put your username and password and you're good to go. All right, but this developer edition is a bit different than how we generally use, because it automatically get expired in 180 days, and after then you need to create another one. So now you may ask, since it is expired in 180 days, so how can we take the backup and we can how we can install those things into the new developer edition? That I will show you in further sessions. There is an option where you can export your Velocity related components and you can install them. Okay, so this is about it. Now let's go back and let's talk about this Velocity module. So we have designed this program. This will help you to start from the basics, and we will make sure that you learn all the important concept of it. So that is it will easier for you to get the jobs and improve your career. So this module is basically for freshers and for experienced person as well. So if you think this is something that helps you to grow, you can reach us on our email ID, WhatsApp or Skype. Okay. And apart from that, if you have any questions related to Velocity that you want me to answer, you can write us on the email. Thanks. That's it for the today. We will create a video further. Thanks.